Hey Erin, thank you for your video. I always enjoy listening to you. Um, you mentioned creativity was one of your values, and I don't think that was mentioned much across the group. And I think it's often a value that is forgotten, or people are being creative and not knowing it. Like you can be creative even in the most mind-numbing of topics or situations, just about looking at things differently to find a solution. It doesn't have to have a paintbrush or, you know, crayons involved or anything. I think creativity, there's different definitions. Um, I know you used to be a teacher, I believe, so I've always been kind of curious, like if these values are the same that you would want or, make important with a different type of educational institution. I would assume the same, but I've always been kind of curious. I know a lot of people that work in education, they're like elementary or secondary, and I've always given them a lot of credit. I just can't imagine, and that's got to be kind of a neat transition for you to go from that level of education to higher education. So that's just really interesting. And you mentioned about your son having the migraines, and I had no idea. I mean, that's got to be daunting for both of you guys. And you mentioned that your job or the internship was very, accommodating. And I think people forget that, you may be miserable at a job or maybe your job of your dreams. But if you can find a workplace or a work environment that you have people that can support you and understand and help you in a time of need, I mean, that can be priceless. I know I'm antsy to leave my current position, and I look back at the times where I've needed extra time or extra help or some flexibility with my schedule or just going through my own personal thing or my family has gone through things and people stepping up like I never thought they would, or my leaders in the office or my supervisors just being so understanding and accommodating. And I have to remind myself of that sometimes. Like, that's really valuable. But that just made me think of that. Well, that's about it. I thank you again, Erin.